What's the meaning of Ansel Adams? Ansel Adams. Ansel Adams. Ansel Adams. Ansel Adams. Ansel Adams.
Ansel Adams was an American photographer and environmentalist known for his stunning black-and-white photographs of the American West, particularly Yosemite National Park. His images often capture the grandeur and beauty of nature, conveying a sense of awe and reverence for the natural world. Adams was also an influential teacher and writer, and his advocacy for environmental conservation helped to shape the modern conservation movement in the United States. Overall, Ansel Adams's legacy is one of artistic and environmental excellence, inspiring generations of photographers and nature enthusiasts alike.